Okay, guys, good morning, vanakkam, vandanam. Let's talk about the latter sections of periodic table. Yesterday we have studied some topic like atoms model, nucleus. There are some mistakes in my previous video, that is our neutron. Neutron has no charge. That's my first video now. Therefore, some tension. That's my problem. Therefore, neutron has no charge. Then I here said that Earth and other planets will revolve around the sun. There is also some mistake. Therefore, clear it, na? Okay. Then we need to talk about subshell. Subshell. What do you mean by a subshell? Subshell is subshell is a subdivision of electron shell. Subshell is a subdivision of electron shell. Oh, some of you guys never understood it. If you look at a big box, there are small boxes inside this big box. There's a small box inside this big box. This big box is called a shell, and this small box is called a subshell. You understood? Nah. Okay. Then there are how many subshells? Mainly there are 4 subshells: S, B, D, F. S, P, D, F. The arrangement of electrons in this block, that is S block, D block, P block, F block, will depend upon the subshell electronic configuration. Depend upon this subshell electronic configuration. Okay. The S stands for sharp. P stands for principal. D stands for diffuse. And F stands for fundamental. Okay, guys, you understood? Thus, we studied about our shell and we studied about the subshell. Then we know what is mean by electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. It is the arrangement of electrons in each shell. Okay, how? By using this formula, we find that in each shell how many electrons present. Thereby, we write the electronic configuration. But if we write electronic configuration in this manner, we find some difficulties. We can find, look guys, in case of in case of chlorine, we can write chlorine. Atomic number is 17. The electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. Okay, na? Okay. In case of potassium, the atomic number is 19. We can write the electronic configuration in the same way: 2, 8, 9. Is this correct, guys? No, this is wrong. Oh, why this is wrong? If K shell can occupy 2 electrons, then this is correct. Okay, K shell can occupy 2 electrons. If L shell can occupy 8 electrons, this is correct. Hana? Yes. M shells can, in M shell, they can occupy 18 electrons, maximum 18 electrons. But here there is only 9 electrons. Oh, then what's the problem? M shell can occupy maximum 18 electrons, but there is only 9 electrons. Then what's the problem, guys? Is this wrong? Yes, this is wrong. This is because nowadays the electronic configuration is defined based on Schrödinger's theory. Based on Schrödinger's theory. Oh, then who is this Schrödinger and what did he said? Schrödinger's theory said that the electronic configuration. Schrödinger said that the electronic configuration will depend upon the subshell arrangement of electron. Will depend upon the subshell arrangement of electron. We can write the subshell electronic configuration of this potassium. We can write the subshell electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Oh guys, do you know how to write this subshell electronic configuration? You don't know? Oh, then we can say about it first. Okay? First you should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you should write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you should write 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4, 5. 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Is this simple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4. Okay, very much simple. Then we need to write 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s. In second period, not period, in second row, we can write P, 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 P. Third, D, 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 D. 4, F, F. Okay, you all know how to write this? It's simple, hai na? Yes. Then the arrangement of electrons in this subshell will be in this manner. First 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 4p, then 4s, then 3d, 4p, 5s, 6s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 5f, 6d. Yes, guys, we have completed it. Okay, therefore the first electron will go to 1s, then will go to 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p. You find the manner? Yes. Then we can find how many electrons will occupy in S subshell. In case of S subshell, it can occupy 2 electron. In case of P subshell, it can occupy 6 electron. In case of D, it can occupy 10. In case of F, it can occupy 14. This is difficult one. Then you think that just add 4, 4, 4. Thus we can easily remember this. Then guys, let's look into the electronic configuration of potassium. In case of potassium, we can write the subshell electronic configuration. Subshell. Okay, subshell electronic configuration for potassium, that is 19 is the atomic number of potassium. The subshell electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 4s1. Okay, this is the subshell electronic configuration. Then what do you mean by this 1s? In first shell, that is in K shell, there is only one subshell, that is this S. In second subshell, that is L subshell, there are two subshells, which is S and P. In case of third subshell, that is KLM. In M subshell, there are two subshells in case of potassium, that is S and P. In case of fourth, that is N, there is only one subshell present in potassium. Okay, you got the idea? Yes, guys? Okay. Therefore, in first shell, that is K shell, there is only one subshell. It contains 2 electrons. Therefore, K shell contains 2 electrons. In second shell, which is L shell, there are how many electrons? 6 plus 2, that is 8 electrons. In case of M shell, there are how many subshell? 2, which contain how many electrons? 6 plus 2, 8 electrons. In case of fourth shell, that is N shell, there is only one subshell. It contains 1 electron. Therefore, the electronic configuration will be in the manner 2, 8, 8, 1. Not as 2, 8, 9. It's a long. You understood, guys? Therefore, the electronic configuration is written based on the subshell electronic configuration. We can look into scandium. Scandium, atomic number 21. We can write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1, 6, 10, 10, 20, 21. Okay, yes. In first shell there are how many electrons? First shell there is only one subshell, 1s, that is only one. That it contains 2 electrons. Therefore, K shell contains 2 electrons. In second shell there are 2 subshells. Therefore, it contains 6 plus 2, that is 8 electrons. In third shell there are how many third subshell? 1, 2, 3. S, P and D. S contains 2, P contains 6, D contains 1. Therefore, total 6, 7, 8, 9. In fourth shell, that is N shell, which contains only one subshell in case of scandium. Therefore, it contains 2 electrons. 2, 2, 8, 9, 2. Okay. Okay, guys, you understood? This is the subshell electronic configuration of scandium. Okay, done? Okay, thank you, guys. We will talk about other sections in our later classes. Please subscribe our channel.